Hey everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how to restart your iPad if it has frozen. So how can you fix if your iPad won't turn on or is frozen? So first of all guys, if you have an iPad with a home button, right now I have an iPad with home button. So if you have iPad with home button, you have to press and hold both home button and top button, this top button and home button together, and until you see the Apple logo. And if your iPad does not turn on, then you have to guys uh, opt another option, but you need to see whether your laptop iPad is turned on or not. So if your iPad does not turn on, then I'll give you the link, just follow that steps. And the second thing, if you have an iPad without a home button, then what you have to do, you have to press and release the home button closest to the top button, this button at the volume up button, I would say. Just press and release the button, then press and quickly release the volume furthest from the top. Yeah, it means uh, the lower volume button, and then press and hold the top button until the device start to restart. Device starts to restart. So these are the steps guys you have to follow, and when you follow these steps, you will see the Apple icon on your iPad screen, and your iPad will be restart. But if you don't see these options guys, if you don't see Apple icon on both iPad without home button and home with home button, then you have to follow a few things to check your hardware, and you may have to charge your device. So yeah, it's a so I'll give you the link of the instruction you need to follow if you don't see Apple icon on your iPad screen after following these steps. So yep, hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye bye.